Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my lovely delicious meat sauce, which I pair with white rice. So in here is my mushroom. I like to make my sauce with mushroom. It comes out very nice. So as you can see, I'm washing the mushroom to remove the sand and any other thing that is attached to it. So it's washed and ready to be used. So in here I have lamb meat and some few gizzard. So I add my bay leaf, a little bit of onions because I'm not a fan of onions though, black pepper, salt, thyme, curry, non-cube. I don't know, it's optional though, but it gives it a nice taste. So I give it a quick stir and then allow it to cook for 5 minutes. So here I have corn flour. It's just for thickening of the sauce. Okay, so I'll be using 2 tablespoons of soy sauce with a little bit of water to melt it. So this is dark sauce. So I'll add my dark sauce. Then give it a quick stir. Cover and allow for 5 minutes to cook. Then come back and add my corn flour for thickening. So guys, this is how I like my sauce to be. If you want yours to be more thicker than this, you can add more corn flour, but I don't like it too watery or too thick. So this is how I prefer to have mine. So at this point I add my mushrooms. I don't want my mushroom to be overcooked, so I just leave it for like 2 minutes. Come back, then add my vegetables. Then add my broccoli. So as soon as I add my broccoli, I just allow it to cook for a minute and then it's done. So it's a minute now and it's ready for use. Guys, the aroma is something else. It's so delicious, and as you can see, it's also healthy for Weight Watchers. So time to serve the food. So this is my own plate of food, guys. Let's see what it tastes like. It looks so delicious. Of course it's delicious because I tasted it. It's so good. It's so nice. It's so delicious. I think you should try this and let me know what you think in the comment section, okay? Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done that. I still remain your baby girl, Jen Abby's Kitchen. Bye guys.